Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Sannaki, Department of Civil Engineering, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. So in today's lecture, we'll be starting with the next unit, that is Unit 6, Ventilation Systems. So in this unit, we'll be covering two lectures or two portions you can say, that is lecture number 47 and 48. So the content in these lectures are the definition, means what is ventilation, necessity and requirements of ventilation system, types of ventilation. So what is a ventilation system? A ventilation is a process of changing the air, that is in a building, if a stocked air is remaining, we provide ventilation systems like windows so that the natural forces push the natural air from outside to inside and remove the already stored air from the building. So that system or process is known as ventilation system. So as I said, definition, a means of changing air in an enclosed space. In other words, ventilation is removal of all vitiated air from the building and its replacement with fresh air. Ventilation may be achieved either by two types, natural and artificial. So here in this diagram we can see natural ventilation, where the air is continuously flowing through the windows and it is reversing, that is pushing the stored air. Ventilation requirements. Why do we have to provide ventilation systems? So here you can see, keep the air fresh for respiratory system, preserve correct level of oxygen in correct air in the air, control carbon dioxide, means if there is no ventilation systems, anyhow there will be some air in one room, but as we breathe in and breathe out, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So if there is no ventilation, we just go on exhaling and maximum carbon dioxide content will increase in the room. So for that purpose we are providing ventilation to control the moisture level, to lower the heat level, remove dust and odors. Types of ventilation. So as I said, there are two types, natural and artificial. So natural ventilation, natural forces drive outdoor air through purpose built or building envelope openings. So purpose, what is the purpose built openings? Include windows, doors, solar chimneys, wind towers and trickle ventilators. This natural ventilation of building depends on climate, building design and human behavior. Ventilation requirements, we already discussed this. So here in this image you can see the natural ventilation, how the air is flowing through the window. Next is mechanical. Mechanical ventilation is nothing but if there is no opening provided in the wall or a building, how to remove the already stored air. So in that case we use mechanical ventilators. For example, exhaust fan. The exhaust fan, what it does is, whatever air which is stored in a room, it sucks the air and removes it out. So here in this diagram you can see mechanical type of ventilation. Thank you.